Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to Generic Eric Pokemon. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon too so you can get notified whenever I upload new content. Alright, so today wait a second. Am I forgetting to say something there? Hit the bell icon. Oh yeah, help me get to 100 subscribers. I didn't say that because, guys, we did it. We have hit 100 subscribers, and it is all because of you guys. I'm saying that because if it wasn't for you, I'd just be a grown man looking through his telephone right now, opening up Pokemon cards. But thanks to you guys, we have hit 100 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. It is awesome. So, I know today I will be starting the giveaway for all of these code cards, plus a little something extra I'm going to throw in there for you guys. To enter the giveaway, it's real easy. You got to be subbed, like this video, comment, I want the codes, and you automatically be entered in. It's that easy. Everybody has a chance to. And I'll give it about a week, and so all you guys can comment and all that, and then I will pick a winner. I might pick, I'll pick a winner. It's all because of you guys. Thank you guys so much. Let's not stop at 100, guys. Let's keep on climbing. Let's keep on climbing until we get to the top, and just go after that too. So it's not just me telling you guys about the giveaway today. I haven't opened up cards in a minute, so today went to Dollar Tree, of course. Got 96 packs. Got 56 Lost Thunders and 39 Celestial Storms. Okay, all you people that are awesome at math, you're like, oh wait, that's only 95. Number 96 is this guy right here. He was hiding in the Lost Thunder packs. So we'll save him for later. He might be good luck. So I'm just gonna, since there's this many, don't want to keep you guys here all night. I'm just gonna roll through. I'll pick packs randomly, switch from Lost Thunder to Celestial Storm. So I'm gonna go as fast as possible. And Alolan Persian. And I gotta find a place to stack these. And hopefully this video does upload, unlike my one video that I was gonna upload on, when was it? Last Thursday, of the Kanto Friend 10s, which didn't upload. That was Celestial Storm. Let's do Lost Thunder. But yeah, once again, guys, thank you guys so much. Reverse Mareep. Kind of a hidden Dollar Tree packs. We finally got to 100, and it is, if you guys didn't notice, I do have a Instagram account now. After a couple of you guys on here hounding me, saying, dude, get an Instagram. It will help you get subscribers, networking, and in 2 days I went from 95 to 101. So, yeah, if you guys have a YouTube channel and don't have any other social networking, do it. It helps out a whole lot. I promise you that. There's an Exploud that's a rare, yep. And mainly it was Mama Kangaskhan was helping me with that, and then Pokemon Mikey, you told me to get an Instagram too. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Okay, come on, let's get something other than reverses. I mean, we still got a whole lot to go, but don't have these. There's a rare. Is that 2 rares? No. Alright. Nothing. So yeah, since we're gonna be here a minute, how you guys been? How's your day going? How's your weekend starting off? Oh yeah, by the way, I do have a video that's going to be posted on Tuesday that I pre-recorded before today. So don't mind me saying that whole little, yep, that's a star, help me get to 100 part, because it will be 210 Tuesday. Open up some cool tins. Alright, we're getting the regular rares, and I like the pulls I got out of them, so I'm not just going to let that one go out. Now let's try this Lost Thunder pack. There we go. Reverse rare. First kind of hit. But yeah, you guys, Instagram thing is pretty cool. I've only posted a couple pictures so far. Most of you guys that I'm subscribed to on here, I'm following on Instagram, so that's pretty cool. Oh, sweet. That's cool, didn't it? Alright. Oh yeah, and also, I am kind of worried about these packs, because whenever I was up there snatching these out of the box, a guy, one of the workers, was like, it's nice to see somebody actually just buying them and not weighing them beforehand. So I asked him, I was like, oh, people come up here and weigh them? And he was like, yeah, this one guy, older guy, comes up here and weighs them, spends an hour weighing them all. And he said that the same guy has gotten kicked out of the Walmart across the street from that Dollar Tree for doing that. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we get something out of these 96 packs. Please, let's get something out of these 96 packs. And there we go. Look at that. Ask and you shall receive. I do not have this card yet. I haven't opened up that much Celestial Storm. Baynet GX. Whoops. Let's get a sleeve on that fella. Alright, first hit. And we still got, I can't get this in there, quite a bit of packs left. Let's see if we can get that. Lost Thunder, let's see. Rainbow Rare. Another Rainbow Rare Alola Ninetales. Pachirisu Water. Like I said, I'm going to try to shoot through these guys as quickly as possible. I'm doing kind of good so far. Like I said, I'm just, after that one video didn't load, every video I've tried to upload since, just been terrified that it, okay. Latios Prism. Not too bad of a ratio, a couple packs in between. I don't think, unless I think Lucario's Pokemon Showdown actually sent me this card. That guy right there. I'll just shout out Orlando. Alright, Lost Thunder. Reverse Sights here. Celestial Storm. This kind of feels heavy, because it's a reverse. Boy, am I going to have a mess tomorrow. Okay, not too... Okay. Nihilego Holographic. Do not have this guy either. Like I said before, both of these sets I haven't opened up that much. But I'm getting it today. Still have quite a bit. But we are plowing through these. We're leaving that break point for last. Hopefully it's something awesome. Or since they've been having somebody come, hopefully that one that's been left over since Breakpoint was out. Yep, that wouldn't be fun. Love Disc, Electrike, Mask Royal. Okay. Come on, Alolan Ninetales. Substrika, Electabuzz. Reverse Mortal. Celestial Storm. Let's go. Let's do this. Rare candy. Real nice. Ooh, didn't I pulled that secret rare, didn't I? Okay. Spinnerack. Nice! Ditto Prism. The Prism that I have been wanting to get. Wanting to pull. Really, really nice. I'm glad I grabbed my sleeves. I didn't think I was really going to get anything. Boy, was I wrong. Okay, come on, Blaziken. Back-to-back hits. Nope, just a Luvdisc and Fair Energy. Got way more Lost Thunder than I have. Nope. Let's shoot through some of these Lost Thunders. They're just falling over here. Wurmple, Fair Energy. Alright. For you guys. Okay. Ampharos Hollow, sorry. And Ether Foundation. I'm getting the hits. But yeah, for you guys still sticking around. Like I said, the giveaway. Just all you guys gotta do is be subscribed. Like this video. Comment down below. I want the codes. And automatically be entered in. And then I'll give it a week or so. Oh, nice. Let all you guys, I'm sorry. Let all you guys watch this video and comment down below so you guys get a chance to be entered. Real simple entry to get into this giveaway. And then I will give it a week, then I will get a winner, choose a winner, and then get whoever wins. Now that I have an Instagram, you guys can contact me through Instagram or email me. My email has been in the description to my channel since I started it, so throw me an email if you don't have Instagram. But yeah, my Instagram's in my description as well of my channel. It's just at Generic Eric Pokemon. So, alright, we're getting through these Lost Thunders, boys. And girls. Sorry. Not too. Yeah, huge shout out to MV Steve's Games for mainly hold you responsible for getting me to 100, because when yesterday whenever I started my Instagram, he gave me a shout out, and a couple minutes later I already had 2 more subscribers. A couple minutes after that I had a couple more subscribers. So yeah, MV Steve Games, if you guys aren't subscribed to him, go subscribe to him, check him out. Really good content. You're a good dude, man. Thank you so much for the help. I saw something? No? I thought I saw something shiny. Alright, let's go to Celestial Storm. Oh, Wilmer. Yeah. But yeah, thank you guys so much for all your support. Helping me out with all this. Oh, wrong pile. A lot of these are bent. Sprout, Chinchou. Okay. Alright, gotta start plowing through. Gonna try to keep this under 20 minutes for you guys. Sorry if you guys don't see the cards. If I see something, I will stop for you guys. The Umbreon, that's pretty cool. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah, thank you guys so much for sticking it out with me in this video. Knew it was gonna be a long one, so. But hey, have gotten some good hits already. Hopefully got 1 or 2 more up my sleeve. Well, that's a star. Almost, well, kinda almost down to Celestial Storms. Okay. I'm getting ahead of myself, about to drop everything. Okay. Nope. But yeah, if this is your guys' first time watching, hit that subscribe button, bell icon, so you can be notified when I upload new content. Like I said, if you subscribe, you're entered into the giveaway. You just gotta comment down below. I want the codes. And every day I'll look on the comments of this video and write down everybody's name that says I want the codes. Come on, okay. Steven's Resolve Holo. So glad they're bringing back the Holo trainers. Not just the full art, because you guys remember in the gym series, the gym leaders had holos. Okay. Plowing through. But yeah, tomorrow... Okay, reverse. Tomorrow I will try to upload another video opening up one of the boxes I have in my closet. And Sunday, don't have anything planned yet. Most likely I'll be doing something. Wednesday, hopefully I will have another pack battle. But yeah, if you guys ever want a pack battle, either get a hold of me on here, or hey, got Instagram now, you can DM me on Instagram at Generic Eric Pokemon. So yeah, I am officially a social networker now. Thank you. 28 years old and finally social networking. You can say I've been under a rock for a while now. Okay, getting down to the last little bit, guys. Okay. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Lost Thunder. 1, 2, 3, 4 Celestial Storms. Come on, Rayquaza. We'll knock out these Celestial Storms and then try to plow through the... That's dope. Try to plow through the Lost Thunders and then get that great Link out of here. Nothing. Second to last Celestial. Come on, Ray. Oh, dropped. Nothing. Claydol. Alright, Blaze Skin on the last pack. Get anything. Reverse Loudred. Alright, Lost Thunder. Please. Oh my god, guys. Lost Splendor Secret Rare. Holy crap. Alright. Recap here in a minute. I'm sorry, guys. Just try not to keep you guys here all night. This one feels pretty good, too. Okay, go. Nothing. Sorry if I'm speeding. Like I said, I'm trying to keep this under 20 minutes. Okay. Pachirisu dupe. Another dope Umbreon. Third to last. Reap. Merlani. Zeraora pack. Dope. Last pack Manticore Lost Thunder. Nope. Okay, guys. Final pack. See if this feels all brittle. Alright. Look at that. It's just... Oh. Nope. Ferroseed. Special energy. Alright, guys. Sorry I've kept you guys here this long. If you've stuck with me, thank you. Got that Steven's Resolve, GX Rizian, Ampharos, Latios, Ditto, Nihilogio, Bayonet GX, and that Lost Splendor Secret Rare. Alright, guys, once again, thank you guys so much for getting you guys to 100, because I'm just here. You guys are the ones who got to 100. And remember, just to enter, subscribe, like the video, comment down, I want the codes. And like I said, I will be looking all week at the comments, and I will be writing all your guys' names down. And then about a week or so, I'll do the pull-ins. So yeah, thank you guys so much. See you guys tomorrow. Peace. Got 100.